Hey guys, today we're covering live loops on GarageBand. Go ahead and click on live loops when you enter GarageBand app. You can then choose what type of music you're going to work with. In this preloaded situation, you can just go ahead and click on the bottom tabs, the small white arrows, and it will play all the available instruments. This gives you a good idea on how live loops works. Notice if I click on individual squares that only that instrument plays at that time, so you don't have to do the solid column, you can actually mix it up. To make your own live loops, click on New, and then click the top right Loops button. This allows you to get into different genres of music as well as different instruments. As you find one you like, hold down on the name of the loop and drag it over to the sheet. To edit, click the bottom left edit button, the small pencil with the grid, and click on the actual loop, and it'll allow you to copy, paste, delete, move, all these different things. Once you're done editing, you can click on that bottom left edit button to turn that selection off. If you'd like to add your own instrument to your live loops, go ahead and click the top left box. This will take you into the live loops or tracks. Select tracks, and now you can select your own instrument. You could even plug in an instrument at home if you had an electronic instrument. To make a recording, make sure you change the song section by clicking the plus button on the right hand side and changing it to automatic. You can now click the red record button and record whatever you're doing. GarageBand is a lot of fun, so play around with it and enjoy. Email us at whsedtech@eanesisd.net for more information.